Welcome to the enchanting world of Pixie Puddle. Today, Pixie Puddle embarks on a magical adventure called the Rainbow Quest. Oh no, the magical colors have disappeared from the forest. Pixie Puddle needs your help to bring them back. Pixie Puddle discovers the color creatures. Each one holds a key to a specific color of the rainbow. To restore the colors, Pixie Puddle and the color creatures must solve the Rainbow Bridge puzzle. Can you help them arrange the colors in the right order? Hooray! The colors are back. But wait, there's one missing. Where could it be?